Hello, everyone. Welcome to season 2 of the Sam podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today's topic is a career that many people admire, fear, and respect at the same time: the lawyer.
Hello, Mr. Sam. Hello, everyone. I'm Lena, and yes, lawyers are very interesting people. They always seem serious, confident, and very smart.
That's true. When people think of lawyers, they imagine someone in a suit, standing in court, speaking loudly and confidently.
Exactly. But being a lawyer is much more than just talking in court.
Let's start simple. Lena, how would you explain what a lawyer is?
A lawyer is a professional who understands the law and helps people solve legal problems. They give advice, represent clients in court, prepare documents, and protect people's rights.
So, lawyers are like guides in the legal system.
Yes, because the law can be confusing and complicated.
Very confusing sometimes.
That's why people need lawyers, to understand rules and avoid trouble.
Let's argue a little. Some people say lawyers only care about money.
I don't agree with that completely.
Why not?
Of course, lawyers earn money, but many choose this career because they want to help people, fight for justice, and protect the innocent.
So, it's not just about money, but about fairness.
Exactly. Some lawyers even work for free in certain cases to help poor communities.
That's called pro bono work, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about education. How does someone become a lawyer?
First, they study at university, usually in law school, for about 4 to 6 years depending on the country. They learn about different types of law, like criminal law, business law, family law, and international law.
So, it takes a long time.
Yes, and after finishing school, they often need to pass exams and do training before becoming official lawyers.
That sounds tough.
Very tough, but it prepares them well for real cases.
What subjects do law students study?
They study legal writing, court procedures, contracts, human rights, history of law, and how to argue clearly and logically.
So, strong communication skills are important.
Extremely important. Lawyers must speak clearly, write clearly, and think quickly.
Let's imagine a normal day in a lawyer's office.
Soft office sounds, keyboard typing quietly, phone ringing quietly, footsteps, paper flipping.
A lawyer arrives at work, checks emails, reviews documents, and prepares for meetings with clients.
Clients come in with problems, maybe a business conflict, a family issue, or a criminal case.
The lawyer listens carefully.
Yes, listening is very important. Lawyers must understand the full story before giving advice.
Then they research the law, right?
Exactly. They look for laws, rules, and past cases that relate to the problem.
So, lots of reading.
A lot of reading.
After research, they prepare documents or give legal advice.
Yes, and sometimes they prepare for court by planning arguments and collecting evidence.
Let's move to court.
Gavel sound, light crowd murmuring, footsteps echoing in courtroom.
The lawyer stands before the judge, presenting the case clearly and confidently.
They question witnesses, explain facts, and argue why their client is right.
That takes courage.
Yes, and strong speaking skills.
Let's argue again. Some people think lawyers lie to win cases.
That's a misunderstanding.
Why?
Of course, lawyers earn money, but many choose this career because they want to help people, fight for justice, and protect the innocent.
So it's not just about money, but about fairness.
Exactly. Some lawyers even work for free in certain cases to help poor communities.
That's called pro bono work, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about different types of lawyers.
There are criminal lawyers who deal with crimes, civil lawyers who handle disputes, corporate lawyers for businesses, family lawyers for divorce and custody, and many more.
So the field is very wide.
Exactly. You can choose an area based on your interest.
What personal qualities make a great lawyer?
Confidence, patience, honesty, strong communication, critical thinking, and the ability to stay calm under pressure.
Staying calm must be hard in serious cases.
Very hard, especially in emotional situations like criminal trials or family disputes.
Let's talk about challenges.
Long working hours, heavy reading, stressful deadlines, emotional cases, and high responsibility.
Sounds exhausting.
It can be, but also very rewarding.
How is it rewarding?
Helping innocent people, solving problems, protecting rights, and making society more fair.
That must feel amazing.
Yes, when justice is done, it's very satisfying.
Let's imagine an emergency legal situation.
Phone rings loudly, quick footsteps, paper shuffling quickly.
A client calls in panic about being arrested or sued.
The lawyer must respond quickly, give advice, and sometimes go to court immediately.
So lawyers must be ready anytime.
Exactly.
Let's argue one more time. Some people avoid lawyers because they think lawyers make problems bigger.
Sometimes people feel scared of legal processes, but lawyers actually help solve problems properly and legally.
So avoiding lawyers can make things worse.
Yes, because problems might grow without legal guidance.
Good point.
Lawyers protect people from making serious mistakes.
Let's talk about the future of law.
Technology is changing it. Online legal services, digital documents, and even AI helping with research.
But human lawyers are still very important.
Yes, because understanding emotions, complex situations, and justice requires human thinking.
Let's summarize today's discussion. Lawyers are professionals who
Understand and apply the law to help people solve legal problems and protect rights.
they study law for many years.
Pass exams, train, and continue learning throughout their careers.
They work in offices, courts, companies, and communities.
And deal with many types of legal issues.
They need strong communication, honesty, patience, and critical thinking.
And a passion for justice and helping others.
Another powerful and meaningful career we've explored today.
Yes, lawyers truly play a huge role in keeping society fair and organized.
Thank you, Lena, for joining me today.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. It was great discussing the world of law.
And thank you, listeners, for tuning in to another episode of Season 2 of the SAM Podcast.
Remember, understanding the law helps protect your rights.